Oh, you said it, fat boy. Talking about ratchets. You need to loose up them bolts on that tight ass shirt.
Mama! Ma! I know you hear me calling you. My TV won't work.
This your third time telling me that. I called your dad, he said he gonna come look at it. I'm trying to watch Power. Lord, Ghost so fine.
Ma, how a ghost gonna be fine?
Boy, Ghost is a person.
Mama, you been on that hookah again, ain't you? A ghost ain't a person. A ghost is a spirit. Like when Gigi catch the Holy Ghost at church and she do her head like this. And her wig fall off.
Boy, I swear you just won't let me be great. What you want anyway? Why is you in here bothering me?
I was trying to see if you'll give me some money so I can go to the hardware store.
The hardware store? For what? It ain't no toys in there for kids.
Well, I was going to get something for my daddy anyway.
Boy, I ain't finna buy your daddy shit. But I'm nosy, so what is it?
A ratchet?
What's wrong with his?
He said he ain't got it no more 'cause of you.
'Cause of me? What the hell?
I heard him talking to his friend, and he was like, yeah, KEISHA be coming on my post being extra, and I ain't got my ratchet no more.
I know you lying.
Then he said you be acting a little ratchet sometimes too, but I ain't never seen you work on no motors.
Hey y'all. Why y'all looking so crazy? Hey my ass. I see you got your tool bag. Did you bring the ratchet with you? A ratchet? Girl, I'm fixing the TV, not a tractor. What I need a ratchet for? Well, use me, since I'm a ratchet. Girl, what is you talking about? I just told you I don't need no ratchet. And how I'ma use you? You gonna bite the screws loose?
Her mad 'cause you said she a ratchet. And now your little ratchet messed up. I guess we all got some ratchet in us, like Lil Boosie.
I know damn well. KEISHA, he lying. You know how this boy is. You don't be giving him his one-a-day vitamins. It make him crazy. Man, let me go fix this TV. Son, you done sold me out again.
You ain't shit.
Yeah. Mama, come look at my TV. My daddy fixed it.
Who fixed it?
My daddy.
Who?
Fat man fixed it.
Oh, okay. Here I come.
You ain't shit.
Ma, look. Yeah.
Boy, stop before you tear it up again.
Are you separated but raising a child? A lot of people are going through this situation. Maybe your child's father has let himself go and is inconsiderate.
Yes.
Or maybe your child's mother is mean and at times a tad bit ratchet.
Preach, Dr. Will.
Come on the Dr. Will Show. Let's talk about it.
Oh, we going. Let's do it.